Students, now come to page number 4. There is entirely a different exercise than we did just before about collective nouns. This exercise here on page 4 is about alphabetical order. Uh, Before proceeding towards the exercise, uh, I want to tell you that by putting words in order, what is our purpose by putting words in order? That we learn to concentrate on spellings, or we learn that the order of the letters and the order of the sounds, isn't it? If we will be capable to recognize all these quickly, you will be capable enough to find words in dictionary quickly and with ease. Okay, so this is the purpose of doing this exercise. Putting words in alphabetical order is easy. Try these. Just remember one rule before doing that, that if many words have the same first letter, they are sorted by their second letter. Okay, like in this exercise, that is different and easy one. The first word is success, trouble, probable, extreme, costume, and feeble. They are all different words, so it is easy to put them on alphabetical order. So the answer is costume, then extreme, feeble, probable, success, and trouble. They said that was not difficult because all the words start with a different letter. Yes, that is why it was easy to do. They said now try these: corporal, culprit, censor, cartridge, chisel, and crescent. You see all the many words have the same first letter. So how we will do it? We will do it by sorting them out by their second letter. Now we will consider the second letter. So the cartridge, censor, chisel, corporal, crescent, and culprit are according to the second alphabetical order. Question 3 is, it is more difficult to put these in order. Try them. Why it is difficult? Let's see. The words are dreamer, drill, drizzle, dynasty, die, decimal, decree, and due. Why did they say that it is more difficult to put them in order? Because in some of them, even first three letters are same. First three letters are same. So how we will do them? As I have told you, if the first letters are the same, then the second letters are compared, and so on until the order is decided. So the answer will be decimal, decree, dreamer, drill, drizzle, due, die, and dynasty. What we did here, we considered their second and then third letters as an alphabetical order. Okay, students, don't you think that by putting the words in order, we concentrated on the spellings and the order of the letters and their sounds, isn't it? And somewhere else, we are capable enough to use the dictionary now. So this is all about the exercises of workbook, because the rest of exercises, 2 or 3 are skipped. Inshallah, with another lesson, we will meet in our next class. Till then, goodbye.